In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira Proxy error step by step. This issue usually shows up when Jira can't connect properly because of network restrictions, VPNs, or browser-related problems, and it can be really frustrating when you're just trying to access your boards or projects. The good news is that in most cases, this error is easy to fix with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through each solution in order so you can quickly figure out what's causing the problem on your setup. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. The very first thing you should do when you see a Jira proxy error is to turn off any VPN or proxy service you're using. Jira, which is part of Atlassian's cloud services, can sometimes block or restrict traffic coming from VPNs or proxy servers because they mask your real IP address. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it completely, then refresh your Jira page or try logging in again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem instantly. If the error still appears, don't worry, let's move on to the next step. The second thing to try is switching to a different network. Sometimes the network you're on, especially at work, school, or on public Wi-Fi, may have firewall rules or restrictions that interfere with Jira's connection. If possible, try connecting to a mobile hotspot, a home Wi-Fi network, or another trusted network. Once connected, reload Jira and see if the proxy error is gone. This helps you confirm whether the issue is network-related or something else. Next, let's clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files, cookies, or outdated site data can cause loading and connection issues with web apps like Jira. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached images and files. You don't usually need to clear saved passwords, just the cache and cookies related to sites. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try accessing Jira again. This step fixes a surprising number of proxy and login errors. If clearing the cache doesn't solve it, the next step is to try opening Jira in Incognito mode, or using a different browser altogether. Incognito or private mode disables extensions and uses a fresh session, which helps rule out extension conflicts. Simply open a new Incognito window, log into Jira, and check if the error still shows up. If it works there, one of your browser extensions may be causing the issue. You can also try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to see if the problem is browser-specific. Finally, if none of these steps fix the issue, it's a good idea to check Atlassian system status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. Atlassian occasionally has outages or service disruptions that can cause proxy or connection errors across Jira. Go to the Atlassian status page and look for any reported issues with Jira services. If there's an active incident, the best solution is simply to wait until Atlassian resolves it. And that's it. By following these steps, turning off VPNs or proxies, switching networks, clearing your browser cache, trying Incognito or another browser, and checking Atlassian status, you should be able to fix the Jira proxy error in most cases. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.